You show up to the gym, push through your sets, and leave completely exhausted. But weeks go by, and when you look in the mirror, your body hasn't actually changed. Every time you lift a weight, you hand your body a blueprint, specific instructions for what to build. But a blueprint is useless without a crew. Inside your body, your hormones act as the construction workers, reading the plans, building muscle, and chipping away fat. If those workers show up fully energized, you see results quickly. But if your daily habits make them sick, tired, or completely confused, your construction site shuts down, no matter how hard you train. Before we look at what is shutting down your site, remember that this is general fitness education, not medical advice. If you have a specific medical condition, always check with a doctor. Building a better body is significantly harder when the internal worksite is too messy for the builders to do their best work. Let's start with your lunch. Taking a cheap plastic container and blasting it in the microwave creates a difficult environment for your body's builders. This diagram shows how heat can force tiny chemicals out of the plastic and directly into your food. These chemicals act like hormone scramblers. Once they're inside you, they interfere with your body's communication system and leave your builders struggling to read the blueprint. The fix takes zero extra effort. Stop heating your food in plastic. Switch to glass containers, and you instantly eliminate these scramblers from your day. The next major problem happens late at night. You lie in bed staring at your phone until 2 in the morning, putting your body on a forced night shift. This chart shows daily hormone production levels over time. Notice how the line stays completely flat while you are awake scrolling. Your body does the vast majority of its production during deep sleep. That massive sustained spike on the right is when your workers actually arrive to repair muscle. Skip sleep, and your crew simply never shows up. To fix this, you need to give your body a proper recovery environment. Keep your bedroom cool, make it as dark as possible, and aim for 8 hours so your body actually has time to rebuild. Fixing how you store your food and protecting your sleep are two of the easiest ways to ensure your biological workers arrive at the site safe, energized, and ready to work. Now, let's look at Friday night. Throwing heavy amounts of alcohol into your system acts as a direct disruption to your internal worksite. This dashboard illustrates exactly what happens after a few drinks. Your body's ability to recover from your workout tanks, dropping straight into the red. At the same time, the signals telling your body to store fat spike to maximum capacity. Limiting heavy drinking protects that fragile recovery process and keeps your internal worksite running smoothly. Our final roadblock is a major communication breakdown, and it happens when you carry a high amount of excess body fat. This flowchart shows the biological trap. Body fat is highly active tissue. When a growth signal enters a fat cell, the fat actually converts it into a storage signal. Your body starts feeding the workers the wrong instructions, telling them to hold on to fat and ignore the plans for new muscle. The solution is to bring your body fat down into a healthy, realistic range. You can do this by sticking to a moderate diet and finding ways to move consistently throughout your day. By managing your alcohol intake and lowering your body fat, you make sure the correct building instructions actually reach your workers without being intercepted or altered along the way. Fitness is not a punishment. You do not need to destroy yourself in the gym every single day just to prove you are working hard. You also don't need to panic and try to fix all 4 of these habits by tomorrow morning. Trying to overhaul your entire life overnight is a guaranteed recipe for burnout. Instead, pick just one simple, repeatable action from this video to focus on for the next 7 days. Buy a single glass container for your lunches, or put your phone away a little earlier. Just pick one box to check. Track one measurable metric, like your daily step count or getting 7 hours of sleep, and just repeat it. Give your body enough time to actually feel the difference and respond. As a final safety check, if you implement these habits consistently and you still feel completely exhausted or off, it is time to speak with a medical professional. Building a great body requires a clean system. Keep your workers happy, and the blueprint will take care of itself. Hit subscribe and let me know in the comments which gym mistake we should cover next.